didi
Adumo Adumarakwa Mbale Sania Iti Mi wonyame monchwa mikakra Adumo Adumarakwa Mbale Sania Iti Erade medase osi bibia yemfa nhyase menim sankrofo ya be business ami adwen emudo na mintimi nwan amen.
What is happening?
I give for you so amen.
Amen.
Say bibia.
Oh, bibia ku.
Da Yesu as. Adum na we so.
Oh, we dey offer the thing say o share me joint. No so opadan. Na me say we me dey na ba. Me dey na ba ndi offer we dey nya ba ni.
Oh, mabaye.
Ndi offer we dey me sraw. Offer me sraw. Wallahi.
For 3 bofo.
Offer. Uwi am nkwa de manamo.
Oh, kre. Edian so no. Bibia be ye fine. Obesan kwan. Obesan kwan.
Enkasa kra.
Adan we ye mumu ana.
Ah, we dey o ntichi hu.
Ene meku kra.
Ah, kunu triti. Offer ni
kre. Abe ye fine.
Me 10 years.
10. Party.
Enkasa kra.
Wait. Me kunu kra me twa
Enkasa. Oh, you say everything.
My friend, come.
Wait me. I'm coming.
No, you have to explain things to me now.
He say business day. He say you want.
I said 1 room, but he didn't say anything.
Yeah, room day.
Room day. You have to tell us a room day, but he just greeting. I don't know what is happening there. You just driving away. I have to follow you now.
For that one there, you did him.
Yeah, that one there.
I did him.
Yeah, you did him.
Congratulations. If you're hanging all this building, it's mine.
Oh, okay.
I'm coming. Wait till I'm coming.
Yeah.
Me. So room day.
Room day.
Okay.
Me, I they take care of all this place.
I want a room. I want a chamber hall.
Chamber and hall. No problem. Chamber and hall. You want chamber and hall?
Chamber hall.
Oh, good. Chamber and hall day. But for the chamber, you go pay 60,000. That is 60 million old currency.
Okay, that is 60 million.
And for the hall is big. You go pay 20,000. That is 200 million old currency. You know Ghana money.
Wait, why you don't want to combine or why are you separating them? Add all of them and give me the correct answer or give me the correct amount.
Oh, the correct.
Hey, add all of them. Don't separate it.
They come. You want kitchen?
I want kitchen.
You want bath?
Exactly.
So I go add the kitchen and the bath to the chamber and hall. Then I give you the correct thing. You wait. I'm using calculator. When we crank again, we book more harm.
Is that Abuko?
They call the numbers.
Oh, okay.
So I can calculate them.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So I do you good for here.
Oh, okay.
I subtract so many things from it.
Oh, okay.
Because you are a friend now. I won't do you good.
You know that I come to your community. You have to do me good.
See you. So everything will be like 50,000, 500 million.
That's 500 million. I don't have now money. I don't pay now.
Oh,
good.
You are a good friend. May you do watch it.
Is that?
I the clean things. So
okay.
Make you go there. I show you the room.
Okay, let's go and show me. Let's go.
But first, this be the kitchen.
This is kitchen.
This kitchen.
No, I want the kitchen there. I don't want
to inside your room. Madam Fusanko assembly there. You know we'll get that kitchen. This one be the kitchen. Everybody they use, you go use price.
I want to use my own. I don't want to use someone there. If I put food for there, somebody will come chop now.
No problem. You go add more money, then I will do kitchen in your room.
Don't worry about it. So far as money there, seka kasa yate.
Ohianye din. What you say? Sika kasa ohianye din. Okay. What you wey nyina? Anya din. Anya sika wo ho. You get money.
I get money now. I say
come. Make I show you the room.
Okay. See, I want some please.
No problem. This be nice. This one. For here, you go stay here till your building you Cooper. So Cooper no more. And say, he goes spray Navy or town.
Landlord, I agree so.
Omo, come. Charlie, hold on, why? My friend later, hold on. Omo, come. How are you?
By the God's grace now, we there now. I still the key. Now from work, so I they go inside.
Oh, come.
Okay.
Come, we for talk something day.
Oh, something.
Some business day. You see, say, now I dey come, no, now I dey talk on phone.
Oh, okay.
The business where somebody they tell me. Now money they inside that business. Do you have money?
I have money.
Good. Then I go introduce this business for you. You go and show me.
No, see, landlord, please. I have my work I'm doing, and I don't want to add any business. If I finish it, then my mind may complete say, I'll do some different work.
Uche, come. You see, say Ashtown, you come there. Mami, Akwaba. The Ashtown, you come there. You're making the adjust everything you feed. Listen. You see, say this Ashtown, you come there. If you shine your brain well, you will get money. Money day here.
Okay, you mean money there?
Money day, this Ashtown, you come there. Are you sure? I tell you. So, the business way at the top. You see, say this be 1 city.
Oh, okay.
Ghana money, 1 city.
This one is Ghana money.
1 city.
What city?
1 city. This is alphabet. Do you know alphabet? You don't know alphabet. It's English.
Okay.
Ufi. They can't hear. So I say congratulations.
Oh, okay. So that's 1 city.
This is 1 city.
Oh, okay.
So the business way at the top. If you give them this, he go give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of this. This is me. I like you. I like you. I they introduce business to you. Money business. This one we they call them give and take.
So are you sure say if like a person take you put this one, you go get this one 10
of this.
10 of this.
Who don't like this business?
No.
Me, I like you.
In life, no matter how it's. Oh, sorry. In life, no matter how it's.
This is my own money.
In life, you need to be. Me, I like business. So you like business.
You for like him. If you know what I say, me couldn't be. Ete what? Ete. Me the John Biaba.
Chop.
Ete. Oga, come. Okay. This is the businessman.
Offer.
Ete what? Where you bunukom? Wani na ho. Oga. Yeah. Now this be the businessman we are.
Oh, okay.
It's a 23.
He be in.
Okay, bro. You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
If you where they do money,
okay.
For money thing.
Oh, okay.
Business day.
Nice to meet you. Afana.
Welcome.
Okay. In them be 80.
Ata.
80.
Oh, 80.
80.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's
Zero.
Okay.
Alphabet.
Oh, cool.
Alphabet.
Scout.
So,
All about this car and I say,
we
you come, bro.
Okay.
We are coming.
Okay. Don't worry.
We go talk business.
Oh,
now.
don't worry.
Proper. Okay. Your child will be who say you say you. My membri na so fast.
If I talk to him.
I will introduce you proper.
Oh, okay. Don't worry.
Of our own dear, we are finding sham them. We so much one and start here if you buy. It will be told you see a tree and my name is a BBL.
So, how much do you have now? Money. How much do you have?
Money.
Okay.
Oh. 18 slow.
Of a young made a metias or who crank again. I'll stand for you.
So, as I was saying, how much do you have?
You know something? Now, I don't have money. I have to go bank, but I have now 50 for here.
50,000 Ghana cedi.
Yeah.
Only 50.
Only 50.
You go do 100,000, 10,000, 5,000.
Don't worry. After business starts,
No problem. About.
Okay, bring it.
No. If you wait, I'm coming. The number you now. Want to mean fat, drown too soon as we find it and shine. It's my new say. The man who could do that. I'm a son and 9 and some. But I didn't see you do about you too. What I say?
Now I sure say the man
I will be war play. Or be no Mitchell or Muscan on board. If you say God bless you. Okay. God will bless you.
He said for today it's your lucky day. They'll give you free money.
Free money.
Yes,
I will give you some to go chop.
Oh, really?
It's your lucky day. I do hear the money. We are sure.
Offer me the mayor. It's very good.
It's very good.
Yeah, you say, come on. Before the battery, there you will be home. They say, hey, baby. Go to the Jewy man. Come on. Hey.
Why are you rushing?
No, I'm not rushing.
It's your own money and you are rushing me. If you rush me like that,
Ross, hey, if you need money, we went to.
Oh no!
God bless you.
Oh, thank you. See,
TB.
Oh, why? I said TB. Oh,
let me say TB. Oh,
TB.
Let TB and TB.
Hey. 80.
Offer. Obeba.
For the money, be Oh, money be account.
Yeah.
I like this man to flow.
He's a good man. He's a very good man.
Wait, Nkobuku today. He's
very good man.
Omukomo one then start by. And he said,
you made this all for you.
How
much is it?
If 500.
500.
Hey, make away from uncle.
Be so you did.
Oh no, I forget. Oh,
you can't press me and you get money.
Brother, aden order na. Enu team when in na want to sell besu Ashtown.
Oh.
Hey, bros.
How are you?
You come alone.
I come alone.
Why?
I tell you, in life, no matter how the situation will be, you have to shine your eye. That landlord, Mewafa.
My uncle.
Your uncle?
My uncle.
Okay, your uncle.
Landlord, yeah.
Jimmy.
You know what, Jimmy?
Butter. So, me, I have business, I have money for you. If like me and you go do the business, me, I don't care. Just say I like you. The last time the money where you give me, I'm very appreciative. Okay. I get money. That's 100,000 Ghana cedi there.
Get 100,000 Ghana cedi there here.
I get 100,000 Ghana cedi there.
Let me see.
No.
Let me see before I trust you.
Me I dey.
Oh, bloss.
Me I dey tell you. Me I dey do business. I'm no business. Me I dey do business.
Your money back correct more tongue. I say God bless you. For trusting me, believing me.
Yeah. Me I love you. And the last time the money you give me I dey trust people like that. So this money I get, I want somebody to extract it to make come now $100,000. Give me.
You know something? Me, you know, the business they do, they do small. They do it small. I have one of my guy there.
Oh.
If you need $1 million, you go give him.
My God.
Bloss. Relax, if you trust me.
The way they talk, you say somebody. I think that is exactly
you know, every business you have a boss. Me, that guy will be my boss.
Okay.
That guy will be my boss.
Yeah.
I will take you there.
Okay.
If you see him, you go clap for me.
Are you sure?
My guy have plenty money. Any amount you need,
are you sure?
He go give it to you. But you just promising me, if you get some, you go.
Oh, what the Ghana people say? The or something.
Because Obube, bloss.
You say?
I say you know.
Yeah.
Be wise person.
I be wise.
I say be wise person. Obube.
Oh, something. One of the guys he tells the Ajit Daho or something.
You know Ajit Daho? Ajit Daho meaning say you go grow.
Oh, okay.
You go grow.
Oh, okay.
Ajit Daho.
Oh, okay.
You go grow.
Oh, okay. So that is me. I don't have any problem. If like the person go make this, we should.
No problem. I will take you there.
Okay.
Right now. Let me take you there right now. Right now.
Are you sure?
Right now.
I don't want any shakala things.
Bros.
Okay,
No before
yes.
one night thing they do.
Okay.
It be reality.
Okay.
No be siwazi.
Okay.
Let me take you there.
Okay. But you know, say the last time, the money where you give me, my landlord,
My uncle.
I butter. You give me money, the money you give me, you know. You go collect it, he say, if I not give her money some, you go collect me
How much for the house?
I said no, so I have to give her maybe now, the way you give me
that mine with my uncle. How red. I know him. Forget him.
I did bet. So let's go in there. Uncle, let's go. Why you invest?
I say God will bless you.
Okay, let's go.
Let me take you there.
Okay.
Hey, Shanty Town. Do me, I do you. Ashtown. So one look sharper, obey down. Shanty Town. I don't think my one in Ashtown. Because some people are wise.
I'm telling you. I'm talking
Shanty Town.
That is one ticket. Okay, you obey you better papa there. Okay. Why are you fighting with this?
No, it'll be Ashtown terms.
Oh, okay.
It'll be Ashtown terms.
By the way that you are changing ways, it seems that you are fighting.
Oh no. You know, this guy, me in the business, they do it small. This guy there, he have plenty money past you. Any amount you need. Why?
How can you do this? How can this not small picky or this small boy?
Hey! Shut up!
The way go get money.
You just small picky. And play. Bewu. Do you know me? Do you know what I can do?
You don't know me, Mitty. Do you know me?
Bros! You don't know me, bros! What thing?
Why you
If you need money,
this man power.
if you need money,
me go see me deal. I have money. Look at
what me can no?
So what do you measure that? Na so me tabata.
Uche, Ucheska, and then Kasa.
Oga, do you want money?
I
have my money over here.
You have
don't
money.
tell him now what is
Relax.
Okay, wait. Let me show you something, okay? Okay.
Come on, see, bros.
Hey, to open that bag for me. Magashi? What? Something. Magashi?
You know dollar. You dey run. Stand there. You dey run.
Now you see money?
You dey run.
This is called money. You see the body be a fianga. Aha.
Bros, what you dey do?
Ete.
Bros.
Neni brisk ebe dino.
Okay.
Ebe dino adwuma.
I dey go.
Oh, go.
I dey go do my business. I dey go. I dey go. Ebe buakem.
Ete, today be anya.
Mini bebe nyanti.
Why is it talk about?
Oh, I dey go.
Ababaka.
So God bless you.
Okay.
Ebu kama.
Go, me dey talk after me.
I dey go.
Ete, o dey come kuma to yem.
Mini bebe nyanti, mini bebe nsro.
Why Jimmy want bay? You be bu ni say boss. You know say I like you. Oh, I know you like me. But I think that now what is happening, that is exactly I make this about. Sorry for. Oh, no problem. It be business. So far as the one where I bring him, Jimmy. Don't mind him. He don't know anything. I'm the boss. If he dey deal money, I need people that they deal money. They have money. I'm a money dealer. Don't rush. Don't rush. Relax. Money day. So now, how much you have here?
I have
100,000 Ghana cedis. So now you want dollars, safer pounds, euro, or why Mumu they cut me? Why for take the cedis? I want dollars. $1. I want dollars. You don't have problem. So this been a 100,000 Ghana cedis. Exactly. Let me see it. You want to see it? Yeah, I want to see it. I want to verify everything to see if everything is intact. Oh, let me see. Yeah. Now I see you are a businessman, and I can do much business with you. Don't worry. Thank you. Okay. 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 Oh. Okay. Oh. This. Okay. Take a phone. Oh. I'm in hurry. Okay. So I don't waste much time here. I have to go. So. Take it. Is it? Take it. Oh, Richard, oh, this one is okay.
Oga, take it.
This one is okay for me.
Oga,
Oh, it's okay for me. I like it.
I'm giving you money.
All that money inside there.
I go show you Dangote money. This be small. Now you're going to do big business. I want you to go to that Nigeria and spray money. If you get there, they say, Oga, spray money, and you spray them with money. Don't worry, this be small money. Take it, Oga. Take it.
Me, I should take it.
Oga, I'm in hurry. Closer. This is important to me. Okay. So, let's start. Shall meet. Finger crossed. Okay. Bye.
Okay. So,
Oga, go.
where can I see?
Oga, go. I'm done with you.
Hey, Arab. Blah.
Are you calling me?
Blah, me first join when him chill. Blah, be jina na me nkasa. Hey, blah, when him never jina nkasa.
Who be you? Why you are calling me like this?
You wanna Jeremiah? Who be me? Me kasa who busa me why? You stay in Ghana, you don't have Ghana papers. Where do you live? Do you have house on the bar?
Why are you there? Why
You know who I am? I'm from Ghana Police
Who be you? You just come the camera.
Have you seen it? Put the bag down. Let me ask you some questions. Come on, put the bag down. Let me ask you some questions. Stupid man. Put it down there.
Oh, why you do like this?
Huh? Yeah. I'm from Ghana Police Headquarters. You're under arrest. Because of you don't have people using in Ghana. What's Ghana? No.
What is the crime I have committed? I'm going to
He's under arrest. Come on, why? Machano.
What's up?
What's Ghana? More capital kidnapping. What papers? Yes, on TSN. Who is on the papers? I'm not TSN.
Officer.
What's your only papers? What's your kidnapping performance? What's your monitor with you?
Officer.
Stupid man. Maybe job steps out. Maybe why? What the problem here?
Keep quiet. You know you be policeman.
Now I've seen.
Do what you want.
What are you doing in the office?
Oh, officer. Who the judge man? Me, I'm the
What are you doing? Tambe.
Stupid man.
Right.
What do you call? Hey, come on, put the bag down.
You, that's my bag.
Let's go.
That's my bag, man.
Your bag. Put the bag. Can we see?
Officer.
Menye blind. Jai, menye blind.
Wait,
Menye blind.
Hey. Oh, keep quiet. Wait till you worry. You know you be policeman.
I'm carry my bag.
Make it go.
My bag. I have money, man.
Hey, Oga Uche that. My buddy, I dey greet you. Oh, what thing happened?
You see what he cost?
What?
You see what he cost?
Hey.
That your brother, when we go in there, you see what he cost?
Akwe, Oboda man.
Okay.
What thing I cost?
That your brother, when you did there, the last way, the one where we go there, where he give him money, huh? We go there, and then we can go where they go where your brother call me. Where say Uche come? I say okay. He say you have some people where they are doing some business. If like the business the money day, I said don't know what I mean.
Uche, wait. Uche.
No, sir, I don't call you. He called me, say ma come, and he say some business. So I say I do the business finish, and I can't call you. But you know.
So what thing happened?
After your brother called me, he said I get money some business day. I said don't worry. He said go a month of you a month of. I said don't worry. Anything where the cost I go make this thing. Carry your brother go give it somebody. We go now person money that the person gets. He get some car. He say some money day. If I want, I say okay don't worry. I have no. He said.
I say God bless you.
Oh, okay.
God
so
bless you.
okay. So we dey make this in, and in terms of money, dollars. So I won't make this in. I say okay, don't worry, I'll make this in. Where you take my 100,000 Ghana cedi? Where you give me dollars?
You have 100,000 Ghana cedis, and you took there. You gave to. I think now they understand. Okay, continue. Ojinfo, go on.
Is that
lucky man? I say you are lucky man.
Okay, so we go there. I don't know what happened, and then the person tell me say he have some dollar. So I bring my money. I give him where he give me dollars. Where they go? I take the dollar. Where they go? I tell them for Ghana some now rapper, man rapper. He said no get anything. The time where they come, somebody meet me. He said I'm police. I said what is wrong with the police? When the person tell me say what are they carry? I say is it your concern they carry something? The person tell me say where is my paper?
Now you for sure. How you get paper? You for sure.
I don't get paper. Where he took the money from me. Say you won't make this.
Uche,
arrest me.
Hold on. You no get paper. You no get paper.
Nah, they can't do it now.
You they stay in Ghana here and you don't get paper.
I bring money now. I go do it.
Hey, this man, you are very lucky. You are make Jimmy. Hey, you come rent house. You no get paper. Do you know it's an offense?
No, I get money where I go do it now. I get money. I get money where I go do it.
You get money where you go do it.
I go do it now.
It's an offense. And let me tell you, those people, your money they took, Omadini free.
Ha!
I said they make you 419.
Yeah, man, all I am my concentration.
Hey, you can't do anything.
See, man, tell
you don't get people. Remember, you don't get people. Calm down. Police people go come to this house and you go pay on hot soup. You don't get papers. You don't get papers. Do you know what? When you see them, don't go and ask them any money. They do you 419.
They do me 419.
I tell you.
Me not ever when they do me 419. Well, let I see me. What did they go do?
Hey,
I swear.
Uche, come here. Come.
You don't see me, mama crazy.
Look, you commit.
I have mental. If like this man is not correct.
Your man crazy. Medoba kwa ankafu. Jimfo. Relax. I say God go bless you. Relax. Offense number 1. You no get paper and you stay in Ghana. You make your mouth jabby.
No, I go do it now. I go do it now.
Offense number 2. You do 419. 419 business where you go do. It's an offense. You make 2 for you. They talk yabby. Offense number 3. You come rent house. You come rent somebody in house and you no get paper. Hey, Uche, you go day in hot soup. You don't know Ghana, Ghana where you come. We get our own laws, so we get our laws for here. You go day on hot soup. Anyway, how much do you have in your pocket and in your account? How much?
Money finished. I don't get anything. Money not there again.
Money
not there again. That your friend me. See anywhere where I go see that guy. Me I go. See me, I'm not good though.
What them way?
Me are crazy.
They go arrest you. If you like when you see them, touch them. They go arrest you. I have spelled your offense for you. Still, you they talk anyhow. Why your mouth they make you like that? Your mouth they make you like this.
No, I don't get anything again. No, I'm not getting anything again. Don't disturb my money.
Relax. I will help you.
I'm a Tundra. See, this is the community. You are the best. Hey, when somebody tell me, say, I go to my country, Nigeria, I don't go back again because Ghana is sweet. Hey, see, I tell you, in front of me, in my face, I just love the way you are standing. Look at the way you are standing. My heart they be like saying at tennis, but they kill me. I'm a Tundra, you are.
Hey, Nijaman, you are making noise.
I'm a Tundra. See. What I don't want to do what you want me to do for you, Amatundra. The way my heart go there your body, Amatundra, if I see you like this, if I say now my heart they breathe. See now your body where they stand there.
I don't.
After we go to Nigeria, my hometown, you go see my body, they run. I'm thinking that this is your body. When you go to Nigeria, people go watch you and the people go cry. Earthquake will come to Nigeria because
why?
I'm thinking I love it from my heart.
Ade Nigeria man.
What
Now
does-
come there, dimpa na me pent ma ko pe bibie dia wo jeje me no.
See, I'm me, that your language, Ade, me, I cannot hear it. But what I want to tell you is this. Amatundra, you know something what I could do? Turn yourself and let me see something. Oh!
Just 10. Just 10.
Oh, yeah. No, if you are telling, don't tell it. Telling us slow.
Only that.
Oh, only that. Only that. Amatundra! Oh! I'm dying. See? This is your body where you turn them like second. What the matter is second. See, if they prove my mind, if they pass it through my veins, why they do the same shakara they kill me? I'm not thinking you are the man of the rest. Oh. I just love you.
Nigerian man, Ade.
I'm a tundra.
Ade Nigerian man.
I'm a tundra. Please.
Ashtown, obi e pemi ama wo so 419 anyway.
I'm a tundra. Me, I cannot hear that your way they say. But what I want to hear is that in love they kill me. I have money. I'm a tundra. If money, where you the search, I have money.
You have money.
I have money. I go support you. I have money. Wait, go back now small. Wait, and they give you money now. Young man, why did you do this? No, stop it. Why?
Oh, stop that. My boyfriend.
Hey, I'm a tundra.
What?
This is your boyfriend.
Is this one thing? Mind your language, oh.
This small ant, this cockroaches, is your husband or is your boyfriend? Young man, if you tell my country, you know what they go do to you? They go use you to pray Nganga. Or they go to na Okada.
What's it?
Minimum.
Okay, don't bring your case here.
I sit there.
This is Ashtown we do.
Ashtown we dey Ashtown. If you dey Ashtown, me dey Ashtown. What? Stop it!
Hey!
Stop that! I don't like that. Emekuma warrior mami o.
What's it?
I'm missing a couple of bed. The other say wafre me ha misano.
When you say nkofo, omo mpedware, ni kurom ompedware. I don't know only way gina ho.
Amatundra, this one is mad. This small boy, you are following this man to Amatundra. Are you talking me?
Oh,
Amatundra, I have money. Are you talking me because of?
I want this. Take.
So are you walking away?
Waka.
Amatundra, are you walking away? This is not small ant. This small boy like this, and then you are walking with. Why these Ashtown people they crazy like this? How can this small boy like this having this now? Baba, where they take God? Am I dreaming or what? What is happening to me? Me, Uche, why people they if like them are countries are the way they go push me into now too much now. This thing, what this? I come to Ashtown, my money lost. And the such woman. Another get. I have to use now this 4419 to work. If I don't use this 4419 to work, I confirm Anonu. Me, no matter how the situation will be, me, Uche, I confirm better Abapali Baba Atawa.